Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to remove a person from a photo inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Canva and then open up that project you've been working on. So for this demonstration, it's this a guy walking on a beach towards sunset. So I want to get rid of this image of the person. So to do so, simply click on the image and then click on edit photo and then click on magic eraser. And now you can see I've got a brush I can use. I can increase the brush size or decrease it. So I'll make it a little bit bigger like so. And now if you want to zoom in on the photo, click on Control on your keyboard and then use your mouse wheel to go up and down to zoom in and out to make it a bit easier for you. So I'm going to go about there, looks good. And now simply use your left mouse key and then just highlight over that person like so to remove him. So slowly and carefully do this. Alright, and then release your mouse, left mouse. And now I'm going to decrease the brush size like so. Now I'm just going to go over this again. Like so, let that load. So you've got a bit of his head, so you might have to retouch it up every now and then. And there you go, I removed that person from this image. That's it for this video guys, how to remove a person from a photo inside Canva. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.